Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to tell you how I put together this breakfast nook look. Our breakfast area is combined of many different things from different places. So I'm not going to talk you guys to death with a bunch of filler. I'm going to show you today how we achieve this look. So the first thing I want to show you guys is my favorite piece. It's actually this table. This table was originally from World Market. It was $1,499. I actually found it on Facebook Marketplace for $800. So it's a tulip table. So guys, this table is going to get lots of wear at our house. I use this table for shipping. We use it for dining, playing games. So I love the fact that the top is reclaimed wood and it's going to really stand up to the test of time over the years. I've always wanted to have a tulip table in my house. I just felt like the style was very sleek, modern, and visually it doesn't take up a lot of space. So that's why when I saw this tulip table for $100 on Marketplace, I went for it. The reclaimed wood and this hammered metal gives it like a very industrial look, but I've softened it with all the pillows and the different textural elements. The only thing I had to do to the table was take some black and antique bronze spray paint, and I taped off the top of the table so that way none of the paint would get on the wood, and I touched it up because it did have a little bit of wear just from whoever had it over time. I mean, they probably had it a while to go from $1,500 to $100. So I was really happy. You can see down the bottom that metal was chipped off, whatever finish this is, but I spray painted and it looks fine. So guys, I actually bought 3 different tables, one from Target, one from Ross, and then one from World Market. In the process of waiting for them all to arrive, I ended up buying this one from Marketplace, and I wanted to return this one as well. But because I got it from Marketplace and I had no choice but to let it sit in my house until, you know, it potentially sold to someone else, it ended up growing on me. And I guess just seeing it in my space and using it and just being able to appreciate the natural wood tones, it helped because this table is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I typically go for like glam. I love mirrored tables, glass tables, but I was really just tired of always having to keep those surfaces so dust free and fingerprint free that I wanted to go with something that was a little more natural. So I'm happy that I got stuck with this table because I adore it. These chairs are the perfect size. They're small scale, they're fabric. I went ahead and scotch guarded them. That way, you know, me and my kid don't have to worry about accidents. These were $49.99 at TJ Maxx. I'm so sorry. Yeah, at TJ Maxx. And the thing I really enjoy about these chairs is that they're perfect for like when we have company. So me and my daughter are able to sit in like the nook part where it's a little bit more intimate, and then here like guests typically sit, or when me and my daughter play games we sit there. I typically sit back here to do like my work, and it's nice just to put my feet on the base and put my computer or pack orders and all that good kind of stuff. So this area has been like one of the most functional parts of our house. I was worried about having fabric with a kid, but these chairs have been great, and they're actually very comfortable, and the shape of them goes with that whole mid-century design, so I love it. This rug, I don't know if it's going to be a permanent fixture, but I got it from Ross for $15.99. I wanted something just like cheap. Ideally, I would want something probably double the size, that way, or a little bit longer, so that way this chair could actually sit on the rug. But it's winter time, the floors are cold, and I wanted something to kind of soften this space up. And so I seen this rug. It has really pretty like texture and color, and so I thought it was perfect for now. and it serves its purpose of our feet not being on the cold wood while we're eating or playing video games. Guys, on top of the coffee table, I have this tic-tac-toe game. It's one thing that I love that when people come over, we typically challenge them to tic-tac-toe. And then we also got this Jenga, which I got that from the thrift store for like $3.75. But this was from TJ Maxx for $16.99. So not only is it decorative, but as soon as you walk in, like this whole little area is just, it just screams like family. So this is like instantly one of my favorite new spaces in my home. Up here, guys, we have this eat sign. This came from Ross. It was $24.99. I thought it was really cute. I wanted to incorporate more wood elements into my home. So we have the eat sign, and it matches the wood on the table and some of the other different woods we have on the picture frames over the couch. So I like it. It says eat, and of course this is a dining nook, so it's very fitting and appropriate. I look forward to finding different pieces of art to change out, especially as the seasons come. I can just see something summery, springy, whatever, and they're like, it will just constantly evolve. Over here, guys, these little blocks are actually storage boxes. These are from IKEA. I'm so happy that Hampton Roads finally got an IKEA, because Jesus, the closest one was like in Woodbridge, Virginia, which is kind of far, and I'm at IKEA more than I can count these days. So I came up with the idea to use these storage boxes as the bench for my breakfast nook. And then right now, temporarily, I have these cushions. These are from Burlington. They were $12.99, and I actually need to find another set so that I can finish. But it's fine, because usually this pillow is like right here, so you can't really tell that nothing's missing. Also, until I get my new counters, no one can really sit back there, because the bar kind of like hits your head unless you're a little shorter. So Mackenzie is like, okay, sit in there for now. But yeah, so typically somebody would sit here on this side, and then people would sit in those chairs. But anyway, guys, these are called the Silverin benches. They are $49.99 at IKEA, and I put Velcro, which I'm gonna have to glue this on, because I was going in this box a lot, and as you can see, the Velcro ripped off, but on that side it didn't. So I used Velcro to keep these in places, because originally these had chair ties on them, but they were kind of like the perfect size, so I decided to use them. And I bought a set of 4 because I was going to originally do wooden chairs for my dining table, and I said, you know what, I've always wanted this breakfast nook idea, so we're going to roll with that. But guys, these are storage benches. So right now I don't have any items, but what I plan on doing is putting like overflow items here. So in that one I have my shipping items, and that one was like all my Christmas ornament stuff that I was working on for the antique mall. So I'm definitely going to find some things that need to be stored away and hidden out of sight. We're going to be storing them inside of here, probably more craft items. I'm really not sure yet. More packing supplies, more everything. I also bought these bookcases from IKEA, and now that I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not. They are actually here, but I need to actually check the dimensions on the website to see if they're even going to fit without obstructing the walkway. But anyway, that's enough about that. But yeah, so I have 4 of them, and like I said, all of them have storage items inside. And so I have 4 of them. They were $49.99 each. They look really clean and modern. Kind of looks like they were meant to be, like like they are intentionally a bench. So I was really happy about that. As far as the pillows, this one is from Target. It's part of the Opal House collection. This one's from Walmart. I think it was $10.87. That's a pillow cover from Amazon. That little tan one, chocolate one back there, that one's a pillow cover from IKEA. That's from, I think these 2 are from Ross. And so yeah, the curtains are also from IKEA, if you're wondering. I forget the name of them, but if you guys are interested, just comment down below and I'll find out the name.
But anyway, guys, this is our breakfast nook. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are inspired. Right now we have it decorated for Christmas. All of our stockings are from Target. I guess I should show you that before we go. So these are from Target. We already got Oreo's stuff in her stocking. And I just hung them on the wall with command strips. And these are ornaments. They were $3 each. So Oreo has the reindeer. Kenzie has the lovely chocolate ballerina. So she's a dancer. And then I have the letter X because they never ever have the letter X for monogram stuff. And then I just cut some ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree and kind of hung it. And then these beads are from Amazon. The garland, I think it's from Target too. It has lights in it. And the garland actually I got from Facebook Marketplace. We just stuck extra pine cones in it because our Airbnb has so many pine cones. Looks really pretty lit up at night. And then we got this little $3 Christmas tree from the dollar spot at Target. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what is your favorite part of my breakfast nook.